Okay, YouTubers, what I have here is a heavy-duty Shop-Vac, and it failed on me one day, just last week when I turned it on. It ran for about a second and then it quit. And so I decided to watch some YouTube videos on how to take the motor apart. And I thought maybe it was going to be the brushes, but it ended up not being the brushes. It ended up being this little quick connector here, and there's a little bridge between the two leads that burned into internal to the quick connector. So in order to fix it, what I ended up doing was I took a piece of brass shim stock and I cut out a U-shaped piece. It's kind of a squared looking U, and I slipped it in on each side of where the spade connectors would go, and then you can see the extra brass on top. That's the bridge. Then I put a little 90-degree bend in it to give it a little strength, and everything fit back like original when I use that little piece of shim stock. And I believe I'm going to have myself a good repair here. I've already turned on the Shop-Vac motor. I had to hold it. You have to hold it tight because it has a lot of torque. It tries to spin out of your hands, and don't get your fingers in anything or get shocked. But it seemed to fix the problem, and I'll show you. I've got written down what my Shop-Vac is in case yours happens to be the same thing. So this is a heavy-duty Shop-Vac, and I apologize for the blurry, out of focus, but I've kind of written down what I did. Hopefully that's going to be in focus for you. I can't really see because of the sun, but it's easy to take apart. It takes about 10-15 minutes to take everything apart. I discovered too that the Shop-Vac left out a screw, and that I'm going to have to find and replace. It's the cover for the little fan, and also too I had to take my little Dremel tool here, and I had to actually cut off. It's like a little keeper that fits on top. Instead of having a nut, they use this little cheap keeper here. So you may have to take a tool with a little cutting blade like this one and cut that off. I plan on either using some kind of an E-clip to put that back. It's got a star pattern on it to hold it on, so don't have to worry about it slipping. But anyway, hopefully this will help you. I'm trying to make a little video here. This is my first one, trying to pay back, help out like others have helped me. I encourage you guys to do the same thing. Thanks. Bye.